I'm going to give a quick run through of Community Helper's team or community-based task management system that helps manage many tasks for many volunteers in an effective and organized way. So here's the landing page. People can create their community or their organization below. I'm going to log in. Okay, so right away I can see how many members there are in my group, in my organization, invitation links. I'm going to go right away to volunteer tasks. So I can see them organized by all, assigned to me, unassigned, assigned to others, all open or closed. I can search for them by name, or I can add a new task. So let me do task 26 and 6,000 Cavendish, let's say. Okay, add task. It's going to create the task. I can send an email out to all the volunteers. I can see how many times it was viewed. I can delete the task, close the task. I can change whatever details I need. I can open it in Google Maps. I can put it for John Doe and I'll put the phone number. Okay, and now I can see the call button. I can put whatever more information I need. I can right away, volunteers will have this option to all do this task, which will right away turn them into assign it to them, and it will present their contact information like that. Needed by, when it has to be done by. Pick up. So I can add a checklist over here of things need to be picked up. So could be a list of groceries, for example, at the supermarket over here. And let's say whatever it is, containers of milk, 2%, milk, 2 liters, and item 2, item 3, item 4, whatever it is, add item, and it will actually parse the different things there so you don't have to enter them all manually. It'll add each of them, can check them off the list like this, and then I can add another checklist and whatever. It shows the history of each of them. Basically, it makes it very easy to keep track of everything that needs to get done, and then people can actually see them on the list of items over here. They can see how many of them are done, 2 out of 4, who it's assigned to. They can check which ones are closed, opened. It makes it very easy to keep track of things, and it makes it so that there's very little managerial overhead needed by the organizer, and it becomes kind of a self-managing system where people get notified, and you can always see the status of everything going on. You can send an invitation link to your all your volunteers, so you don't have to invite each one of them individually, and you can even create a task intake form so that instead of having people calling in over the phone and taking 5 or 10 minutes to give you a list of everything that they need, they can just submit it themselves through an online form. That's essentially a rundown of it. If you have any more questions, please let me know.